Okay, let's continue tutorial for level number 2. Right, in level number 2, I will teach you on how to write the programming to move forward, turning to the right, turning to the left, and also brake using the joystick programming concept. Okay, so this one is the compulsory block that you need to do. You need to use, okay, for each of the programming. This one is the header of your programming for each action. Okay, so every action you need to use that one, and then continue using the other blocks. This one is turn right 90 degrees, the new blocks that you will learn on this level, right? And then you need to combine with the when option button is pressed. Why I said option? Because if you click here and you can choose, okay, you need to scroll down and you can choose arrow right, arrow up, arrow down, arrow left, button A or button B option. Okay, so this one is turn left 90 degrees. Why 90 degrees? You will turn your robot sharp turn, okay, which is a 90 degrees. And this one is the brake block. You need to choose. You need to use this brake block, M1 and M2. Both DC motor need to brake. So as usual, button A for brake. I will teach you on how to do the programming after this. Okay, this one is the key portal open energy. Okay, you need to collect this, then you can open the portal door and then proceed with the next level number 3. Okay, this is the extra button 3. Okay, compared to the level number 1 just now, you only need to press this. But in this level number 2, there is 3 additional buttons that you need to click. Turn left, turn button A for brake, okay, and then turn right. And then the other one way, using the arrow button on your keyboard and also the alphabet button A for stop. Right, so as usual, write down all the programming, okay, that you will use for this level number 2. Alright, for this level, you can change the view. Right, you can change the view like this. Press right on your mouse, okay, and then turn your mouse to the right and to the left to get this view. Okay, this one, arrow up is for moving forward. Moving forward, M1, DC motor M1 and M2 100. And then turn right, okay, turn right, okay, arrow right is for turning right. Okay, and then arrow left for turning left, right? And then this one, don't forget to brake. How to brake? You need to choose a button A. And then DC motor brake M1, DC motor M2 brake. That's all for the programming for this level number 2. Okay, because this one is very basic. And then how to move your robot, you need to click this or you press the button on your keyboard. Okay, I will just show you how to press on this screen. Okay, the arrow button on your screen. Okay, this one is moving forward. Okay, moving forward, and once you reach the junction, you need to press A because it will stop. Okay, and then turn right 90 degrees, and then it will turn right 90 degrees and stop, and move forward, okay, to collect the energy portions. Collect the energy portions, including the key portal opener. Okay, because once you collect the key portal opener, you will see the portal door here. Right, the portal door will appear here once you collect the portal key opener, this one. Alright, proceed, turn left, and then moving forward. Okay, moving forward, and then before you reach at the junction, turn left, press A for brake or stop, and turn left 90 degrees, moving forward, this button, okay, and then brake, okay, brake, or I need to move a bit in front, okay, and brake, and then turn right 90 degrees, okay, move forward to collect the key portal opener. Right, this one, portion and break. Okay, and then I need to turn right 90 degrees. Okay, and then move forward to collect the remaining 2 energy portion, and then go to the portal door. Alright, as you can see that I cannot collect all the portions, so I want to restart the movement because I want to get 100. Okay, move forward and then click, break, turn right, and then move forward. Okay, and then break, turn left. Okay, then move forward, and then break. Okay, turn left, click the arrow left and move forward, arrow up. Okay, and then break. Okay, turn right 90 degrees, move forward, collect the key portal opener and break, and then turn right and then facing to the portal door, and then moving forward, collect the remaining 2 portions and go inside the portal door. Then you will get 100 marks. You go enter to the portal and then you can proceed to the next level, which is level number 3. So level number 2, okay, you learn on how to write the program moving forward, turn right, turn left, and also break. Okay, see you on the next video. Bye.